What's up guys, Raven12 here, back again with a brand new video. Immediately after the last one. We're gonna be playing okay, for first up, in like the last episode, I mentioned that in one of the ones to Maps Animator the Greater here. That came from like this episode. Unidentified Flying Mater. Oh wait, you know what? I think I'll do Russian Flying Mater because I am backwards and just wanted to mention because I don't know, watch the other episode before this one. I cannot make a good let's play. Also, there's a let's turn away from my Pac-Man. Alright, what's the first game? Him in this Sting. Okay. So. Oh, it's a tilt control minigame.
Please respond. Fire in progress at 1209er Carmichael Way.
That's the old gasoline and match factory.
I remember this, like the what's this game? Is that because it's motion controlled rather than being the usual idea and use the nunchuck, they decided to make it tilt controlled. And as such, it's 9% in the lane. And your turns are too sharp. They're throwing you crashing in the pedestrians like you were driven by a drunken maniac. Oh no! Why the heck can't I turn for anything? It only hurts with the speed thing. Alright, I'm assuming that's over. Okay, Mato's wait. Yeah, there. There's more of this?
Was a few blocks away.
Darn!
I know them roads driving backwards and forwards. That town was full of shortcuts.
Yeah, that was the last time you seen a car short. Or wait, the car or couldn't turn. Or they had to. And they always drove. Hey, look, they're cheap. And they have to get to the repair shop. Seriously, why can't they just use the nunchuck for this game? Nunchuck is for precise throwing. Rather than this tilter wheel thing. Anywhere a lot of the time they can't even. There were times the worst of them all.
That orange glow of that fire was on the horizon.
Can we get
and the only way for
the
me to
station
get
already?
faster was to take some pretty big risks.
I mean, let's see. Maybe the people are already dead from the fire. Or because we can't turn for lives. Freshman. I'm complaining about how the cars game. It's not hard to talk.
When I made it to that burning building, I I got right to work.
I'm done with the beach.
Oh, look at that. You is the champion.
Okay, so what's our next game? Still Ninja Meter with a poorly edited spinning old thingy. It's an odd tilt game.
All right, back it up.
So I'm pretty sure like it.
Reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Like the other way of tilting. So it might actually be worse
All
than.
sorts of stuff was getting destroyed by that fire. Firefighters was going in and carrying out as much as they could. They had to move fast and be careful not to drop nothing.
Stop first. That's why like most people like hate this game because a lot of them time like I'm in the hands steady as a.
Great job.
So time with the car just stops on its own like. Nah, I don't like these things. These tires must not get burned, but you know like I believe I left my phone in the burning acid. Well, there we go.
The building seemed to be coming down in all directions. It was one of the meanest fires I done ever seen.
Fucking lost. Go back, you dang it! Like, just stop swimming for no reason. Also, apparently fires can also ride lizards. You have like 50 elbows. Go back! Why are you going forward? I'm requesting you to go back. Go back. Go back. Ah, man, why is there always like 3 times like I have to do something? What do I like with these tilt control ones? No one! Oh, going back! That's not a problem. It's sometimes like those. That's like the exact opposite of where you want to go.
Great job.
Steve's go back, and his eyes go forward. What's up with your idea? No! Don't go! Oh, you think that this is going forward?
Tried to save as much as I could, but that fire was going faster than rust in a junkyard.
And I hope nothing because this game has terrible control. This is America. Yeah. Swung. Not a point push.
Before I knew it, the entire city block was on fire. We had to blast water in all the windows as fast as we could. Remain calm. That was sweet. Spread. That was sweet. Put out all them fires.
Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah. This is what people want. You can find me, right? What? He's not even that hole yet.
Cool.
You gotta be kidding me. How? That's not even home. You dick. Bitch. Somebody put a ticket slot. This thing. Hey, you almost done. Here's 50 more bucks. Jeez. Let me skip that.
Hey, you didn't lose. I guess that means you won. all sorts of stuff from the windows. We had to catch it all so nothing could get busted. Don't let nothing hit the ground. Go, go, go! Don't let nothing hit the ground. Don't let nothing hit the ground. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Keep on catching!
There's no timer on this one.
Finally got that fire out. Some folks needed medical attention. Well, dadgum, you won this round.
Oh, yeah. So, can I go here? Oh no! It's back to the driving! Ugh. Sorry, didn't need the
The
nunch.
hospital, STAT, and
That's this
ASAP.
game.
Now, I know it's right to stay as close to an ambulance as you can, but I still felt like an ambulance chaser.
I mean, kind of like a homemade hack where like, you can actually get some controls that actually
Watch
work
out for them cars.
and run by using the nunchuck. Apparently, like, no, well, that's too expensive. It's not like that was one of the main features of the Wii. Need the nunchuck. And that almost everybody needed. Nope. Nope, we don't need that. All we really need.
Up to the roof.
Need is controls and makes it stuff.
Don't let that ambulance out of your sight.
Also, like, I cannot be sure, but judging by, like, what I'm assuming with the Mater shorts and, like, this game, it takes place before, like, he was in,
Got a big
and, like,
jump
Radio
coming up.
Springs, but, like, you see there, that's, like, the sign advertising Radio Springs. So, like,
Keep your eyes on that there ambulance.
what? Is there, like, secretly, like, multiple meters that, like, continually douche? Turn! Turn! Turn!
After getting to the hospital, folks was rushed to the ER, and I know they'd be well took care of.
Well, what happened?
I saved your life.
What? No, I didn't.
Did so.
Did not.
Did so.
No,
Yes,
Mater.
I did.
Mater, stop
Yep.
it. Not.
Did so.
Did not.
No, Doctor.
You see, like, that like, doesn't make any sense because, like, sure, there was like a scene in which, like, Mater was a doctor and, like, was trying to have a queen. But now it's just like, hey, I'm ready to come in here, you wanna come? I'm my pen mate. I'll give you an oil change. Well, whatever, that was Mater Stonetails. No, maybe like a low-way visited and like do like some of the other ones here, but yeah, it's probably gonna be a long shot. The one thing I'm worried about though is that you can see here I hated the driving and Rescue Squad Mater. Tokyo Mater is all about driving. I'm gonna hate that one. So like yeah, I may not come back to it sometime in the future. Anyways, this is Red 12 signing out.